Is your Samsung fridge not keeping things cool? Don't worry, you're not alone. Let's explore some simple steps you can take to resolve this issue before calling in the pros. First, check your temperature settings. Make sure the fridge is set to 3 degrees Celsius and the freezer to -18 degrees Celsius. This simple adjustment can sometimes solve the problem. Next, inspect and clean the condenser coils. Dust and debris can build up over time, reducing cooling efficiency. Use a brush or vacuum to clear away any dirt. Ensure that nothing is blocking the airflow inside the fridge. Check the vents to see that food items aren't obstructing the air circulation. Pay attention to the evaporator fan. If it's not working, cold air won't circulate properly. Listen for unusual noises or visually check if the fan is spinning. Also, inspect the door seals. If they're worn or dirty, cold air can escape. Clean them thoroughly or replace if needed. Test the compressor and start relay. If you don't hear the usual humming, there might be a problem. Look for clicking noises or signs of overheating. Finally, try resetting your fridge by unplugging it for 5 to 10 minutes. If none of these steps work, it might be time to contact a professional. Vancouver Appliance Service Pros are just a call away, ready to help with your appliance needs. Stay cool and happy troubleshooting.